An arithmetic expression is a combination of variables, constants, and operators arranged as per syntax of C language. C can handle any complex mathematical expressions. So here are some examples of C expression. So on left hand side, all the mathematical expressions are written, and on right hand side, all the C expressions are written. So the first expression is A into B minus C. And in C expression, we write the same equation A star B minus C. Second example, AB divided by C. And in C, we write the same equation A into B divided by C. So the third expression, which we write in mathematical way, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. The same expression is written in C as 3 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. The fourth equation is x divided by y plus c. The same expression is written as x divide y plus c. The fifth example is in bracket m plus n, and in another bracket x plus y. The same equation is written in C as in bracket m plus n into x plus y. Now we will see evaluation of arithmetic expression. Expressions are evaluated using an assignment statement of the form variable equal to expression and then semicolon. Here variable is any valid C variable name. Expression is any valid C expression. When the statement is encountered, the expression is evaluated first and the result then replaces the previous value of the variable on the left hand side. All variables used in the expression must be assigned values before evaluation is attempted. Examples of evaluation statements are: first one, x equal to a into b minus c semicolon. Second example, y equal to b divided by c into a and then semicolon. Another example is z equal to a minus b divided by c plus d and then last semicolon. The blank space around an operator is optional and adds only to improve readability. When these statements are used in a program, the variables a, b, c and d must be defined before they used in the expression. Now we will see precedence of arithmetic operators. An arithmetic expression without parenthesis, that is brackets, will be evaluated from left to right using the rules of precedence of operator. There are two distinct priority levels of arithmetic operators in C. First one is high priority, in that multiplication, division and modulo symbol comes, and in low priority, addition and subtraction symbol is available. The basic evaluation procedure includes two left to right passes through the expression. During first pass, the high priority operators are applied as they are encountered. During the second pass, the low priority operators are applied as they are encountered. So consider the following equation, that is x equal to a minus b divided by 3 plus c into 2 minus 1. And suppose the value of a is 9, the value of b is 12 and the value of c is 3. So the statement becomes x equal to n minus 12 divided by 3 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. So just we have replaced the value of a, b and c in given equation. So to evaluate in first pass, the statement will become x equal to 9 minus 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. So basically in step 1 we have divided 12 by 3. That means the first preference goes to division operation from left hand side. So that's why the statement became n minus 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. So in next step, from left hand side to right hand side, the multiplication symbol comes. So we multiply 3 into 2, that is 6. So in step 2, the statement becomes 9 minus 4 plus 6 minus 1. So if you see, all the division and multiplication symbols are over. So in pass 2, we will perform addition and subtraction symbols from left to right. So the first symbol is minus from left hand side. So in step 3, we subtract 9 from 4. So the statement will become 5 plus 6 minus 1. So in step 4, from left hand side, plus symbol comes. So just add 5 and 6. So in step 4, the statement will 11 minus 1. In step 5, again do the subtract operation. So in step 5, 11 minus 1, that is 10. So the answer is x equal to 10. However, the order of evaluation can be changed by introducing parentheses into an expression. So consider the same expression with parentheses as shown. So suppose the same statement, x equal to a minus b divided by, in bracket, 3 plus c, close the bracket, then into, and again in bracket 2 minus 1. So if you see, the same expression we have written, but the thing is that we have introduced parenthesis. So now the same equation we will calculate. Take these same values, that is a equal to 9, b equal to 12 and c equal to 3. So just replace the values. So equation becomes x equal to 9 minus 12 divided by, in bracket, 3 plus 3, close the bracket, then into, again in bracket, 2 minus 1. So in given equation, from left hand side, to right hand side. First we will solve the brackets, then after solving the brackets we will calculate the multiplication and division, and after that in pass 3 we will calculate the addition and subtraction. So first try to solve the brackets. So in first bracket from left to right side, 3 plus 3, that is 6. So that in pass 1 the statement becomes x equal to 9 minus 12 divided by 6 into, then again in bracket 2 minus 1. So again in step 2 solve the other bracket. So in step 2 the statement will be 9 minus 12 divided by 6 into 1. So now we have solved the parenthesis. Now calculate the division and multiplication operations from left to right hand side. So in pass 2 we will do the division, 12 divided by 6, that is 2. So in step 3 the equation will be x equal to n minus 2 into 1. So next again solve the multiplication operation, that is 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 is 1. So in step 4 the statement will be 9 minus 2. So now first we have solved the parenthesis, next we have solved multiplication and division. In pass 3 we will solve the addition and subtraction operations. So in third pass, 9 minus 2, that is 7. So the value of x is now 7. So if you see both the examples, we have just added parenthesis in second example, but the answer will be changed. This time the procedure consists of 3 left to right passes. However, the number of evaluation steps remains the same, that is 5 steps. Parentheses may be nested, and in such cases evaluation of the expression will proceed outward from the innermost set of parentheses. Just make sure that every opening parenthesis has a matching closing parenthesis. For example, suppose the same equation, we will introduce innermost and outermost parenthesis. So the equation is a minus in bracket b divided by, again in bracket 3 plus c, close the bracket, inner bracket, and then into 2, again close the outer bracket, and then minus 1. So if you see, there is bracket inside another bracket. So to solve the equation, first solve the innermost parenthesis, then outermost parenthesis. After solving all the parentheses, solve the multiplication and division operations, and finally solve the addition and subtraction operations. So the value of a is 9, b is 12, and c is 3. So just replace the value of a, b, c in equation. So the equation becomes x equal to 9 minus bracket 12 divided by, again bracket 3 plus 3, close that bracket, then multiplication symbol, then 2, again close the bracket, then minus 1. So in first pass we will try to solve the innermost bracket, that is 3 plus 3. So the equation becomes in step 1 9 minus in bracket 12 divided by 6 into 2, close the bracket, and then minus 1. So in step 2, solve the bracket from left to right hand side. So in bracket, the expression is 12 divided by 6 into 2. So first try to solve the 12 divided by 6. So in step 2, the equation will be 9 minus in bracket 2 into 2 and then minus 1. So again solve the parenthesis. So in step 3, the equation will be 9 minus 4 minus 1. So now we have solved parenthesis. Now there are only subtract symbol. So in second pass we will try to solve the subtract operation from left to right. So left hand side, the equation is 9 minus 4. So in step 4 we will solve that. That is 9 minus 4, which is 5. So in step 4 the equation will be 5 minus 1. So in step 5, perform the subtract operation, that is 5 minus 1, and the answer is 4. Now we will see another example, the same example with different parenthesis. A minus, then double bracket open, then B divided by 3, close the innermost bracket, then plus C into 2, and then finally close the outer bracket, and then minus 1. And the values are A equal to 9, B equal to 12, and C equal to 3. Just replace the values. So 9 minus double bracket opens, then 12 divided by 3, close the inner bracket, then plus 3 into 2, then close the outer bracket, and then minus 1. So in first pass we will try to solve the inner bracket, that is 12 divided by 3. So in step 1 the equation will be 9 minus in bracket 4 plus 3 into 2, close the bracket, and then minus 1. So in step 2 again solve the equation, that is 4 plus 3 into 2. So here in bracket, first solve the multiplication operation because it has higher priority than addition symbol. So in step 2, first solve the 3 into 2. So in step 2, the equation will be 9 minus in bracket 4 plus 6. Close the bracket and then minus 1. So in step 3, solve the remaining values in parenthesis. So 4 plus 6, that is 10. So in step 3, the equation will be 9 minus 10 minus 1. So now only subtract operations are left. So solve those operators from left to right. So in second pass, first solve the 9 minus 10. So in step 4, the equation will be minus 1 minus 1. So solve this minus 1 minus 1. So in step 5, the answer is minus 2. Now we will see rules of evaluation of expression. So first parenthesis, sub expression from left to right are evaluated. If parentheses are nested, that is one parenthesis in another parenthesis. The evaluation begins with the innermost sub expression. Third one, the precedent rule is applied in determining the order of application of operators in evaluating sub expressions. The fourth one, the associativity rule is applied when two or more operators of the same precedent level appear in a sub expression. Fifth one, arithmetic expression are evaluated from left to right using the rules of precedent. And the sixth one is when parentheses are used, the expressions within the parenthesis assume highest priority. So while solving the arithmetic operation, the highest priority is given to the parenthesis. In that again, if there are more than one parenthesis, then the innermost parenthesis gets the highest priority. So after solving the parenthesis, the next one is multiplication, division and modulo symbol have the higher priority. And after that, the last priority is for addition and subtraction operation.